How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix FiveM has been stuck on loading updates or failing. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your Windows icon right here, and then you want to type for view network connections. Now, the reason why this occurs is because we aren't able to connect to the servers of FiveM, enabling FiveM to load or update the game files itself. So inside this page, you want to look for your network adapter. In my case, I'm using an Ethernet cable, so I'll just click on Ethernet, click Properties, and basically inside this page, you want to look for the Internet Protocol version 4, Properties, and then you want to use the following DNS server addresses. Now, by default, it will be selected on the first one, which is the obtain DNS server address automatically. You want to choose the second one and input this preferred DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8, and the alternative DNS server is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK, click on close, and now we are good right here. The next thing that you want to do is to head over to the command prompt, click the run as administrator option, and then you want to type the following, which is the ipconfig space / flush DNS. And then let me retry that real quick because I actually typed it wrong. Flush DNS, and then it will look something like this. The second thing is the netsh space winsock space reset. And then you just want to restart your computer, open up FiveM, and that will be able to fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.